So since I was very small, I used to draw cars, and I still do. And it's been an amazing journey, and I've always wanted to build my own car. Previously I didn't have the expertise, now I don't have the time.
I built my first 3D printer when I was 13 years old.
I think to the Jagriti Yatra, our message is similar, that how do you democratize nation building? But the courage is not the journey. The courage is the ability to go back to your place of origin and make change happen. That's when transformation happens.
I was sailing in the furious 40s. At 40s, there are no laws. At 50s, there are no rules. At 60s, there are no gods. At 70s, there is no common sense. That's what they say. Somehow managed, reached on Easter, 31st of March. 6th of April, the President of India gave me a ceremonial reception.
One day what happened was that one woman came and she said that I want to open a saving account, and I went to all the banks and they are not opening my account. We have around 570 field officers actually now. And what we are doing is that with 8 branches, bank is operating and providing doorstep banking.
We are into behavioral design. Behavioral design is something which is a new concept. It's using science to change human behavior. There's a lot of work that's being done in advocacy and changing attitudes, but changing behavior is relatively new, which is all about solutions in behavior change.
So I remember when I was close to 11 or so, I created my first website. From that point on, I realized, it was amazing how people could actually see it, and they would sort of write into me, or they would tell me about it when they met me, that, that I read your posts, so on and so forth. And that was really what pushed me forward.
So to get other people exposed to technology in the same way which I have been exposed, I started this firm. And after TEDx Gateway, my email inbox was filled with inquiries for Shark Kits. So we restarted the brand. We've been designing, iterating, and now we're at a stage where we're coming close to the launch dates for the whole new set of kits.
TEDx is opening a window so that he can see different things. At least he'll be able to see the same things differently.
Secondly, Bleep as a concept, as an invention, is not something where we're selling to consumers. And that's what TEDx Gateway is helping us do. It gave us a platform to reach out to the policy advisors as well as the government.
I wrote a book, and after many years, I got a book count of something like 5,000 books sold after many years. And in this, it was very nice to see the ticker of the Yatra hits on the TEDx site, taking us to 1,500 in a few months' time, etc. So personally, it is very gratifying to see an idea which, to be honest, is no longer mine. It is the idea of a team.
One idea that you could sort of plant could be perceived so differently just because of the different perspectives that people shared. So you would have a VC, you would have a banker, you would have an artist, and all three of them would have a very, very different way of looking at the opportunities that you've created.
During that event, many people from the government side were there also. So after that event, from National Livelihood Mission, I got an invitation, and they considered a Mandeshi as a role model for the government replication model. Not only that, but they invited Mandeshi to train the government officers of Maharashtra on Maharashtra Rural Livelihood Mission.